Chief Akokalesia.
Chief Obi.
Chief Akokalesia.
Chief Obi.
Long that time.
Hey, it has been long. Where have you been?
I traveled. I'm back.
Hey, you are back. Hey, no, hey. Hey, I can see. Hey, no problem. See, later we come to your house.
There's no problem.
So that we know. I see the hot. It's like you have already repented in,
I'm not doing something again. I have given my life to God.
I'm very
I'm a changed person now.
Just like that.
Just like that.
So wait. So you and God are like this now. No problem. Don't worry. I will come to your house. No, come. Let's take on now. Hey, no problem, my brother.
I don't want peace.
Hey, no problem.
I want problems.
Ow! My leg! Ow!
My leg, Zakaria. My leg, Zakaria.
Amburi uko wai. Saidia mimi.
Chief Akokalesia.